Are you happy now? I am sure you are more than excited with what has happened to my daughter. There is nothing anybody will tell me that will convince me that this diabolical woman here is not the cause of my daughter's death. And that's why I will not have you speak to me in that manner. I don't have a hand in whatever I saw is going through. As her parents, we should be looking for solutions and not solutions. Huh? Solutions. It's so easy for you to say. You are the problem here, Amonoje. Why don't you tell us something about the solution? Enough of your madness. Enough! Esau is my daughter too. Oh, please. She's not your daughter.
Are you two going to let me handle this? As a matter of fact, I do not want to hear one more word from either of you. You. Do you have a hand in what my daughter is currently going through? Hello?
Please take it easy. And accept my condolences. I'm sorry for the loss of your wife. I know you are still mourning her, but you see, there is a way.
Atalus! Must you always be stupid? Is my wife dead?
You see, calm down, but at least just allow me speak freely.
No, you won't speak freely.
Ma, remember that discussion we had concerning girls licking your son like a lollipop and chewing the stick? You see,
you must be very mad. Will you get out before I curse you and your generations?
Sorry.
Atalus! What was that about? You were discussing about me with my mother?
My son, it will be useful.
No, Mom. I want to hear what he has to say. Go on. Tell me what you were discussing about me with my mother.
Jose, I think this is not the right time to have this kind of discussion. Like your mother said, I should just get out. You understand? Because you see what I'm saying? Your shoulders are already like this. Problem will happen here. So let me just go. When you are calm, I will come back so that we can discuss. But, mother, you remember everything I said. You understand me? Talk to him. He will not understand, but you will understand. Lollipop.
Please be calm, my son. Be calm.
I can't ever face any of them again. Ever.
I say it's okay. Okay? It's alright. At least this is your father's house. You can sleep over tonight and tomorrow it will be all blown over. You can go back. Can you stop crying already?
I stole my father-in-law's wristwatch. Why did I do that? What did I need it for? I mean, what for? Why on earth did I take it?
I say it's okay. It's okay. Stop crying.
Why did I take it? What for?
It's okay.
Dad, I believe in this time also I should be done with my feasibility studies. And with that, I so much believe we'll take over the market process.
Great, son. Great. You see the benefit of your returning? I appreciate that you decided to come back. Now we can take over control of business venues.
Thank you very much for coming. I will never let you down.
I know so, right?
Zaki Onuji, I would have taken responsibility for what happened if I, at this one, had failed as a mother. I never raised my daughter to steal. I am sure she must have been bewitched. Please, forgive me and forgive my daughter, please.
You think she was bewitched?
I swear with my life, I think I know who is responsible.
You do?
I take for him, man. My son-in-law, please, temper justice with mercy. Please. Hey! Ofankwa, can you imagine? My son-in-law just walked out without greeting me and not even acknowledging my greetings. Ah! Amonoje. Okay, bear. It will never be well with you. Ah. Oh.
You don't need to thank me. I'm your big sister and I'm doing what I'm supposed to do. Honestly, you got us really worried about your whereabouts. Yeah. Anyway, just try and believe everything will be fine. You'll be okay. Yes. I miss you. Alright.
This is...
Yeah.
Is that Essie on the phone?
Yes, you want to bite me. What's that?
How is she?
She's fine.
How's she feeling?
She's good. She went for a walk. I just told her to believe everything will be fine.
Don't worry. Adefure. I'm sure everything will be fine.
Yes. What do you think about what Mom said concerning Omoneje being the person behind Esse's issues?
See, Edoma, I don't know what to think anymore. And I don't know what to believe.
It's not a time to think or believe. It's a time to find out exactly what is happening and who's behind this.
How? How are we going to do that? See, this accusation alone is enough to destroy this family. It's enough to scatter everything about this family.
You're joking. My brother, this family has been torn apart for as long as I can remember. A family is for.
Please, don't say that again, please. Please.
Family is scattered, trust me.
I have never been that insulted and embarrassed in my entire life. Did I commit a crime that my daughter got married into a rich family? Or is it my fault that Omonoje's daughter turned useless abroad and refused to come back? My husband, I suggest we arrest her with the police.
Really? What will you tell the police?
Hey, Otoja, is it not obvious that she bewitched our daughter?
Abi? But how do you intend to prove that to the police?
Whose side are you on? Obonyawe, are you on her side or on your daughter's side? You just have to stop running around in circles and come out plain.
I only asked the question.
Whose side are you on? Why are you standing in my way?
Nobody loves trouble. But there comes a time when you look trouble in the face and ask questions. Why did you bewitch Esther here? Why she here?
Was it your mother that put you up to this?
Olivier, keep my mother's name out of this. You are going to swear with the Bible that you did nothing to my sister.
You must swear.
Kameho. Vavivara Kameho Sesi. The next time either of you stands in my way to say nonsense, I will teach that person a lesson he or she will not forget in his or her lifetime.
Lies. Did you hear me? Lies, because you will do no such thing.
Thank you, Daddy.
What gives you the audacity, the temerity to threaten my children in my own house? I'm asking you.
Would you kindly ask them what gave them the audacity to tell me that I have to swear with the Bible that I didn't bewitch Esther in my husband's house? Would you kindly ask them?
What is wrong if they said that?
Daddy, help me and ask
You
them.
must swear.
No, I'm asking you. I say. Okay, so you don't want to swear? Eh? You see your life? You don't want to swear. You will swear.
You must swear.
In fact, you must swear.
Perfect. Beautiful.
Good.
I agree.
Yes.
I will swear.
Better.
Then we will all go to a local shrine and swear.
Oh no, waiting.
Yes, you heard me. Swear you want, swear you shall.
Oh no, what?
That? I will just swear with the Bible and everybody goes to rest.
Daddy, she's the one. Shrine. Daddy, she's the one.
Thank you for guiding and protecting us for her all these years abroad, and for bringing her home in one piece. She's going through a lot right now and I need your help. She's my daughter too. I can't just sit back and watch her go through this agony. Please, continue to guide and protect my Evie. She's all I have. Thank you.
Hey, why? Yeah. Mama, my husband, don't come. What? Don't I not tell you before? Don't come before you come.
I do not have time to chit chat. I have lots of important things in my head.
Madam, no verse. Even your husband said don't miss you, sir. You don't begin to like chewing stick. Madam, I know say you no be thief.
What did you say?
See, madam, I know they fear anything. I know say you no be thief. Even if all everybody for this world say you be thief, me I know thief when I see her. You know understand? Okay, listen now, man. Forget see the find out in your possession. That's useful. You don't reason say they plant her for them. Huh? You no be thief. I tell you now. Don't tell you now. Me after what they tell you.
What were you telling my wife?
I'm not telling her. She just comes.
I said, what were you telling her?
I don't tell her anything. She just dey come. I say welcome. Do you want to experience how high I can be? Bros, don't go high now. No matter how high you be, you can never be higher than the most high. So what were you telling my wife? Bros, I don't tell her. Madam, I tell you anything. She said carry back. Now you take her back. They carry. I used to hear somebody say, well, not come in there.
You don't have anything to say. Instead, I have something to tell you.
You see, this is one of the most difficult things I've ever done in my life. A man of my status and position must stick on the path of truth and justice always. My daughter, please forgive me. Yes, forgive me.
Forgive you?
Yes, please. Forgive me for ever thinking that you stole my money. You see, I misplaced it and my mistake, my bad. I'm sorry. Please forgive me.
What? Dad, what are you saying?
I found it where I kept it. Yes.
Father, what are you talking about?
It's okay, it's my bad. But this brings me to the issue of my wristwatch. What kind of thief will take an old wristwatch and leave pound sterling there? Who does that?
Oh, Sahon, you are a coward. How can you just sit and watch a woman mess up your sister's life without consequences? And you call yourself a man? If your father is too scared to confront Omonoje, what about you? What about you, Sahon? What about you? Adesua, Emma to Salobra, if you come close to me, I will beat you to the ground. Pepper! That's exactly what I want. You over four, come close to me. You will not try it. You will not try it.
Your mothers are fighting. You are here watching. Referee! Can't you have peace in my house?
Peace! How can you have peace in a house where a wicked woman lives? If anyone doesn't know who the evil woman Adesua is referring to is, ask her to go look herself in the mirror and tell whoever she sees there to turn from her evil ways. Please! Osupa! Don't talk to my mother like that! Edomo! Yes? Oh,
Are you okay?
If my daughter were around, will you dare talk to me the way you talk?
Oh, please! Stop talking about lost people!
My daughter lost.
Yes.
Is that not enough? Hey! So it doesn't even matter to you that I am here? Eh? That's enough. I don't want to hear one word more.
Why won't you say it's enough? Why? When you know that Omonoje is a devil and you refuse to send her back. Only me. What are you scared of? What are you afraid of? What kind of a man turns to butter in his own house?
Adesua, if you do not want to see the ugly side of me, better watch your tongue.
Sorry.
Blind those wicked eyes. Look at her. The kind of canopy she has in her eyes like a witch. You are the witch. Azagma Zarmi.
Now you can scream at me. Can't you scream at her?
Must I scream at everybody?
You really have to go, because I don't understand what you people are saying at all. And this is not a compound where everybody will come and make noise. So go. Hey!
What did I put there?
These women, they say, Madam,
Sit down, do. Mona, come.
Now the car be this.
Now the car. When I want it for.
I don't want it for. I come show and say, Oga, why carrying fish for market?
Let's see all this on the talk.
See, now she will come see. I beg, may she come out, come give me my money or my fish. If not, now you will die quickly.
I try to imagine the name of the hospital where Una True escaped from.
Because men looking at una too, and I know say una don dey mad. So definitely they find una dey go for streets. Not be matter I go for big, I know they mad. Before I close my eye, open am, I get her for this compound.
Instead when you waka go inside, go call her, come out. Make she come give me my money. You dey here dey run your mouth. If I slap your teeth, come out for your mouth. You know say we not call here.
Na that one.
You know the God where they save you? Say I know they beat woman. But I go advise you, you don't give me wetin you no fit take. No start wetin you no fit feel, the man no go slap. Wetin dey worry all these people? Huh? No worry, oga, go arrange this thing.
What is going on?
I said, leave this matter for me.
I said, what is going on? What is going on?
I dey try to find out what's going on. But if you ask me now, who I wan ask? Okay, since you don't dey here, now fix am. Mona tell her wetin dey go on.
Oh, madam, what is going on?
My pikin, I know say na your wife thief fish o, but I can't show my friend. I see him for market when he carry fish.
Oh. Are you saying my wife stole your fish?
Yes.
Hey, Oga. Something like that.
Hey!
Oh. All right. How did this happen?
I see him with my two eyes when he carry the fish go for motor.
Ah! Now, wow.
All right. Wait for me. I'll be back.
Mona, wait till they come. Make I stay here. Una still gonna come closer. How did it happen? Huh?
It's all right. Everything is fine. Essie, come with me. What's going on? That some women are here to see her.
I told you to wait for me there. Yeah, but I told you I would fix it. You were wasting time to come out. Make it not come like saying that we really need that for. I think we can carry them come meet you go inside. You don't see this kind of allegation, you have to treat them well.
Were you not the person I got? Not because of you I come here, and because of my neighbor I come here. Is there a problem?
The reason why we come here na to come collect money for my fish. You know say you carry my fish. So give me the money or give me back my fish more per month.
I don't understand what you're talking about. When I did die, waiting you buy for me. You carry fish for table for your car. I just say you pay. I don't know say you don't pay.
Essie, did you take a fish?
Jesus Christ, of course not. I don't have any idea what she's talking about. Who took your fish?
See, madam, if you like blow grammar, the whole town go hear our story. Which one be who took your fish? No, you have to bring that guy out, come here. Oh. Enter and give me my money or give me back my fish, my commode.
There's no...
Listen.
I did not take your fish. I mean, I paid for it. I don't...
Oh!
I see fish. Now fish with this.
Yes, Naim.
They've seen that they have fish with this.
Naim.
If I should answer that answer, my dear wife, I would say that they still very angry over that theft matter.
But you said you've taken care of it.
Of course I did.
Okay, let me go to their room.
No. You will not interfere.
Why? I can't leave them to
Look, my dear, you will allow them find common grounds and sort out their differences.
Are you really serious about it?
Of course I am serious. Come on. Hey, baby, I'm not going to be very busy today. And I'm sure you two are not going to be busy. Eh?
Why don't I take my beautiful wife to, show her some new moves I got?
Did you go for a walk this morning?
Oh, of course, I did.
But remember you promised me some money.
I did. We always do everything for you, huh? Come on. Come take care of daddy. Come take care of daddy.
Someone is apparently after me. Someone is out there to destroy me. I have never stolen anything in my life. I do not know how to. How and why would I possibly become a kleptomaniac all of a sudden? It doesn't add up.
I am glad you know that what you're doing has a name.
I'm not doing anything, for goodness sakes. Why would I go to the market? I mean, there are lots of servants in this house to go to the market and do my shopping for me if I needed anything. Why would I want to go to the market?
Essie, do you have an idea what could have happened to you at the market if that woman raised alarm that you stole her fish?
I do have an idea what could have happened. I'd be so glad if you could use your brain also to realize that something or someone is after me. It doesn't add up. It doesn't make any sense.
Fine. Keep looking for who to blame. How didn't I see this coming? Come on. I can't deal with this anymore.
Listen, wait. Fish. It's just fish.
Mom, you have always told me never to give those who want to see me broken the satisfaction of seeing my tears. Why are you doing the opposite now? This is too much for me to bear. This is too much for me to bear. Mom, if you break down, I will break down too. Do you want to see your daughter broken? I'm sorry, my darling. Just that sometimes the weight of having to prove my innocence before people I call family becomes too much for me to bear. Adesua is trouble. You are way above a cantankerous nature, and you should stay up there. For how long, Vivier? How long? Someone once told me that nobody's victory in life is ever achieved with a dramatic formality. It's a battle we must fight and win every second of our lives. I believed that woman. Wipe your tears now. Everything will be fine. Oloku, take care of my problems. I cannot be serving you and still fight for my innocence. Take care of Esome and fight whoever says she will not enjoy her marriage. I leave it all to you. 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 I leave it all to you.
Yeah, what's up? I was working on my phone. Huh? My sister? When did that happen? That cannot be my sister. Are you serious? Okay, thank you.
What? Eh? Are you waiting for me to scream before you start talking? Was the father talking about? Sorry.
Yes.
Eh?
Okay. The person, someone called me saying, the person said 2 women went to Esoya's house and they said she stole fish from the market.
What kind of a useless gossip is that?
Essay, stole fish.
What will take Essay to the market?
I don't even understand.
Essay that is married to a rich family will go to the market and steal fish? Shame on you and your useless friends.
But Mom, it's just an information. It has nothing to...
By the way, Edomo, where you buy your own clothes, don't they sell things like this that can cover you up?
And that's what we're talking
Come
about.
on, shut up now. Every time you wrap yourself, look at that.
I didn't steal anything.
Of course I know you didn't steal. Did my husband not tell you that he was the one that misplaced the money?
In the wristwatch.
But I'm still confused about that. Did you take it?
I don't know.
What's going on?
I feel that someone is after me.
Esther, what makes you think someone is after you?
The first night I slept here.
Pick up, sorry. Oh, let's see, pick up your phone. Pick up your phone. Something is not right.
Mom, what's the problem?
It's not a problem. Just wanted to get in touch with Essie and find out if the stupid story I just heard it cannot be true. But I just want to be sure.
Oh, you heard she stole fish in the market.
Where did you hear that?
Somebody called me and asked if it's true.
But my friends are not stupid.
Have you seen how one unfortunate soul wants to tarnish the image of my daughter? Is this not jealousy laced with wickedness? All of you should start calling the number. And if she's not taking her calls, we will all go to the house and find out what is going on.
What will you tell them when you get there? Or have you forgotten the case of the missing money? The wristwatch. And how the wristwatch was found inside her bag.
Oh.
Well said, well alone in Meredith, where he saw no to Judea, where he low ni meze, herano to atwane, bikwe mole imiarere o,
Nedigwe meroe aba. Well said.
It's okay.
Well said. Well said. Well, Lord, he made again. Where he son to Judea. Where he Lord, he made.
It's okay.
Oh, Bulu, Baba. If I oh, Baba.
Sorry.
If I carry
Are you really my son? Eh? Or has a Beverly spirit possessed you? What man walks into a room and sees his wife whipping her eyes up and leaves her like that? Who does that?
A man who no longer recognizes the wife he fell in love with and married.
And what is that supposed to mean?
Mom, I just want to drive out and clear my head off her choking cobwebs of deceit.
Do you understand what that girl is going through right now? This is the time she needs a husband. Not a cold-hearted stranger. Oh, he wants to leave. Okay, if you choose to live your life, go! That's if you want to be a beast, be!
Yeah? Wow. Huh? You know, there's something about this girl who's married.
You shut up!
Help me, God. Help me. Holy Spirit, please help me, Lord. Show yourself strong. Help me, Holy Spirit. Prove yourself as always, Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Help me, Lord. Men trust in charms and in chariots, but in you I put my hope. Vindicate the helpless, O Lord. Vindicate me, Father. Do something. Holy Spirit, do something. My hands are clean. My hands are clean, Lord. Do something. Let your divine healing come upon me. If somebody is after me to bring me down or destroy me, I send it back to them. I send it back to them. I send every single evil tendencies back to them. I send it back.
Oh, Saham,
More!
Only we look at what is happening in your house. How they turned Essie to a thief. As if that was not enough, she made Edom mad. I will not take it in this house. Never! I will not take it. God is my witness. God will fight for me because I'm innocent of the accusation. Shut up, you evil woman. Osahon, you see how useless you are. I told you long ago to kill this woman here, but you were as spineless as your father.
Who is spineless? Huh?
Daddy, stop! People just stop fighting! Stop fighting!
Nonsense. Can you get that? He's spineless.
Daddy, please stop fighting. I'm not mad.
So why are you behaving like this?
You're not mad. When people are made mad, they look for the people responsible for their madness. This is the woman responsible for your madness. Go and fight her! Fight her!
I'm not mad. I'm not mad. I only want to go and see my sister. I'm not mad.
Is that the reason you should hit the street like this? In your nightgown? And yet you're telling me you're not mad?
Daddy, there's no time. I need to go and see my sister. You won't understand. There's no time, Daddy. I've not been sleeping for some nights. And last night was the worst. Daddy, I heard her crying and praying. She was crying. She was praying. She was tormenting me. I need to go and see her so everything will be fine and she can forgive me.
Forgive you? How? Did you do anything wrong? I mean, have you offended her in any way that requires her forgiving you?
I cast a spell on her.
You cast a spell on your sister?
Yes, mommy.
And I'm a fakwa!
Hello!
Hey!
Edom.
Hey!
Abamena.
Hey!
I made her to steal things that are not useful to her. I even made her bed wet.
Oh!
I did a lot of things to her. I don't bury her. Mommy, have you not been the one talking about casting spells? Mommy, you treated me wrongly. You've never treated me right. Yes, you. Oh my God.
Rebe! Look at your life outside. Like mother, like daughter.
Daddy, don't even go there because you're part of the problem.
Oh!
Amen.
Oh!
Yes, you. Daddy, I've been begging you to buy me a car. You never did. You said go back and you got her a car.
You see?
I turned to a complete joke. And SM became the only source of your happiness. You never treated me right.
And the only way you could react was to turn yourself to an agent of evil. Visiting from one native doctor to another. You see your life?
Edom! What are you talking about? You mean you cast a spell on Asa? Why are you telling me?
Tell it to your mother.
Your sister!
Tell it to your mother.
you know since you married me, you've been so caring. But for some time now, it's like I'm beginning to suspect that somebody is threatening my marriage. Hey! Essie! Essie, where are you going?
I'm going home.
You are going where? See, my dear wife, this is now your home. Eh? Okay, see. My wife has told me everything. And you are right. Eh? Okay, I have decided to do something about it. Please.
Thank you so much, sir. I do appreciate the kind gesture. But I would rather leave. I am here as your son's wife. He finds that meaningless. He finds my stay here as useless.
No, that's not true. That is not true.
He didn't even notice I did not bed wet last night. If he doesn't care about me at all, then I'd rather leave. Please.
Hurry, bring her back and make sure they lock the gate. My son.
Go now.
Please.
What happened? Sorry, wait. No, wait.
Please forgive me. Sister, what's wrong? Please forgive me. I hurt you. I didn't mean to. I was just trying to get that moment done. Please, I beg you, forgive me. Please. Besumu.
She said she cast a spell on me.
Yes, she cast a spell on her.
Yes!
You cast a spell on your sister.
Yes, I did. I didn't do it because I hate you. You know I love you so much. I did it just to bring disgrace to Mom and Dad. I made you to steal things you don't have use for.
Hey.
I made you to bad words. Just to bring disgrace to Mom and Dad so they can feel the pain I felt. All the times they made mockery of me. Sister, I beg you, please forgive me.
Yes.
Who's keeping them now?
It's okay. I know it will be difficult for any of us to appreciate the depth of pain and shame, the reproach you have gone through. But please, find a place in your heart to forgive your sister. Please.
Please help me to forgive me. Please help me, beg her, please. Beg her to forgive me. Sister.
It's okay.
Sorry. I'm sorry. I love you so much.
okay, dear. It's okay. It's okay.
Sorry. I see.
Please, thank you.
I must have been the fool. A real man will stand by his wife, come rain, come sun. Please, find a place in your heart to forgive. I beg you in the name of God, please.
Keep quiet.
It's okay.
So, overdo.
How are you? This is you. This is me. Hi. This is me.
I am the happiest woman alive today. Tell me what I Hey! Oh, come, my dear. Abortion. What are you doing here?
Is it not obvious that I'm waiting for them to come back so I can teach them all a lesson they will not forget in a hurry?
Ivy.
Yes, Mom.
Cold has vindicated me. And I'm sure they've learned their lessons. There's no need resorting to violence. What we need? No need. It's needless. Yeah, whoa. It's okay. It's okay. Please. Please. It is needless resorting to violence. They are here. Please, my daughter. Please. Please. Hey, Elwa. It's okay now. I'm begging you. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Oh, save you. Apaga. Daddy! Daddy, good to see you.
How are you?
Right, Daddy.
How was your trip?
Fine.
I see. Thank you. You're so cute. You're so cute.
Thank you.
Sorry for everything. I realize the folly of my actions, and I sincerely ask for forgiveness. I'm only doing a better person. Can I be a better person? Please. I'm so sorry. This one. It's okay. I'm sorry. It's okay. It's okay. Well, I'm sorry. It's okay. It's okay.
It's okay.
I go. You say it's okay.
Yeah. Please say.
I heard about the nonsense thing you did to Essie. Never in this life try it again.
I won't try it again.
I will forgive you on one condition.
What?
You will take me to the person who prepared a spear for you so I can teach the person the lesson of the person's life. Huh?
Okay, I will.
Don't tell anybody.
I won't.
Don't try it again. If you try them again,
I don't try it again.
I know say you're not going to try them again.
I miss you, God.
I miss you too.
I miss you.
I miss you too.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Thank you
Why are you saying thank you?
for forgiving me and allowing me the opportunity to take you to the moon and back. If that is what it's going to take to show you how much I love you.
Thank you.
You see, I can always tell you, there is not me without you. You are the love of my life.
You said that like 100 times.
And I will keep saying.
And I'll keep listening.
You want to hear more?
No, I told you sweet wine.
It's sweet.
No! I told you sweet.